ka Bharti Foundation manta kasni ka khanriu tarik ujeliu kala penlong ka program ka bakar pangkum si bantaban pen priang ya ka jingnang jingtep habaya de bakiru kam trekam kat kum ka juk thamai lang baka Satya Bharti Quality Support Program bat ka ban long ru na ka bantat ka jing pen bet pen byang ki islam a jingnang jing start haki Ri-Bhoi zili ki Skul sarkar ki badan hakathan Ri-Bhoi district ya ka te ka program ya ka bala penlong ha district library hall nongpo hakani kasni lewan baneshim bantalang daga kong Mary Lenra State Pedagogy Coordinator SSA SEMAM kum ka kongsan Dr. Vincent Nyanglang District Mission Coordinator Ri-Bhoi District kumusumbut kongsan Badalin El Nonglat DSEO Ri-Bhoi District Lieutenant Colonel VP Singh Regional Head Bharti Foundation ki principal bat ki Jinghikai jong ki school ba pher jong ka than Ri-Bhoi.
So education is not a factory of manufacturing things or materials or even manufacturing human beings, but we have a very great to say that education is a part and parcel to manufacture the character, to manufacture the discipline, to manufacture the quality, and also to search for the talents of the students, whether in the district or in the state and also in the country as a whole. So therefore, I, on behalf of education in this district, Ri-Bhoi, I welcome everyone who are willing to work with education, whether the Bharti Foundation or any other foundation or society, to come and work together to produce a better qualities of students in this district. As we know that this district is an aspirational district. The district is lagging behind of all the districts in Meghalaya. So these programs, it worked out very well in West Georgia Hills and East Georgia Hills. If you see there, the report which Bharti Foundation had done, which they had done in those two districts, they have changed the. I have seen the classroom, the training of teachers, even the schools. Everything, it's like the transformation of the school. So I request each teachers to welcome this type of programs in the district. I just like to highlight a bit about the performance grading index. I think you all know about this PGI. So these performance grading index, our state ranked the lowest from all the, especially the northeastern states. So we say that most of the time we used to say Shillong is the education hub. So with the release of this report, the PGI report released by the center, we feel that Shillong, we should not say anymore that Shillong is the education hub of all the northeastern states. So we can see many problems if you see the PGI report, which the center had released recently during 2021. You can see the attendance of teachers is very low, the attendance of the students, then the teaching, learning in the classroom, especially the learning outcomes of the students and their performance, it's very low. So with the coming of this, with the introduction of this Bharti Foundation in this district, I hope that the PGI ranking will come up, will increase, especially in the classroom